Yengbiri Punamakpu, Sharatna Sarabana, Impact News, Sayol Sig, and Manipur, Taram Noxer, and Manipur topic Sisu, Equi Maruina, Citizenship Amendment Bill Gimatang Sidney, Aduga Maruina, Citizen Amendment Bill Gimatang, say Manipur, the Su, Lona Tangaba State, sing the so, Masik against the Horopa Irang, Sinamaramoka, and Park Ocean Bayadaba, Canon and Bagi Matang, Park Ocean Bayadaba, Aduna Maramoraka, and Nasiki topics. So, particularly, is Home Minister assurance on Citizenship Amendment Bill enough? Citizenship Amendment ki matangda Manipur Chief Minister Public Sing Pulse Sing se khanga kanda Center da chale Home Minister unare Home Minister unara matungda memorandum ani madudi hairiba Citizenship Amendment Bill sidagi Manipur si exclude to habagi exam khara pibi habagi ofam dune at the same time Manipur gi masagi ojaba Manipur People's Protection Bill 2018 Assembly na pass to khaba huji na Home Minister leiriba adugumbadu President gi SN pibda madwai area da su khara miyang changpiu haina ani chi wafam sida thamakpa swai area sidani aduga maroina Manipur gi assurance amsu Home Minister da pire masi Chief Minister gi through the pirakpa assurance ni at the same time on the day of the passing this bill in the Lok Sabha Home Minister Masana Assam say one of the biggest most sufferer state of this migrant illegal migrants the most sufferer see Assam ni adu Assam gi area sing se Assam gi interest so lo havigi so area da assurance of the PDP gi adu su parliament da adu gi area sing su khana janabani maro na ngasi gi agenda Manipur se Assam dagi guest yobiri ai hana viewers na thamjaning base lona matang se khana na ngasi impact news studio de lengthen lebiri ba guest sing de I get I think the Pambiri base Ningthouja Lancha spokesperson CIRCA ni ihan han badai Oza Lancha bu taram on luxury on the lap of Oza Lancha is the Bikram Hanse co-convenor NIPP Assam chapter. So welcome to the Impact News studio Bikram Hanse and on my right side I get the thangna phamini jari basi Wangkhem Saratchandra convenor Notice Indigenous People Parliament NIPP ni ai Oza Sharatchandra su taram luxury Oza ai Lancha ihan han lakchapta imedudi Oza Lancha swaida tang nipan swaida gi dum hore asai gi neso gi under the umbrella of neso entire notice se ban gaure tang nipan si yaning da utpaduna ni Lok Sabha da mup torokpa pass tawre adagi opposition party sing kari sing walk out tokiba Manipur da hek tang nipan de haurakan ngarang bodadi agitation hai tai protest against this citizenship amendment bill ubu phangi at the same time Chief Minister na Home Minister unare Home Minister na assurance pire habini madudi Manipur gi kari gi interest sokpa yaba thabam da tawroi habigi protection pire habigi assurance pire habini ai hanan hangjening busi Home Minister gi assurance pibirakpa Chief Minister pirakpa assurance swai te kitang potha ba yaba phima moibra kamai ning bigi
tasena aina yengjabada search maina uje assurance whether ai bo oina natraga
written
assurance natraga tasena panel law oina natraga constitution gi provision ama oina pirakpa natte aduna tasengamak chahi manga taruk chupna akogi 1980 dagina 85 phawbada Assam da maroina All Assam Students Union ASU amasung All Assam Gana Sangram Parishad uga Manipur da All Manipur Students Union aduga All Manipur Students Coordination Committee MSCO pullakanda aduga Khasi Students Union MZP NSF Tripura akogi Arunachal da APSU na singba mayam na matam da foreigners issue na tawba matam da Assam gi khwaidagi hana historic oiba accord ma August 15 gi midnight 1985 ta sign tawna ki that is Assam Accord adu muksa oba assurance laitre adugi assurance tugi matung ina adugi accord tugi matung ina NRC tawdana ngasagi Supreme Court na madugi monitor tawrakanda NRC se laktana hojik 40 lakhs hena illegal migrants se khandokpa hawrabani first phase da adugi assurance maya mama pigi bado madu tasenamak written oina soi tawraga pinari ba assurance ne adugi chawgraba kanusida Assam gi hairiba accord sida yauri basi Manipur da hoji Home Minister sinda ngaktang pen aba lip service sama torokpa akogi kahetare madu natte tasenamak madu da achauba movement amaka yamna historic oina Assam people of Assam gi mahut silaga asu amsung AG SP na matam da sign tawdana yanaki bani Manipur da su matam da 1951 da base oibani Assam gi na 1971 aruga Assam gi ko na laksage Manipur gi su M skok ka chief minister ga tawkana lae aduna Assam gi assurance da akoina nainangai odibasi Home Minister gi assurance nataba government of India aduga people of Assam ani gi mahut silaga tawgibasi da akoina ningsing gadabadi 1951 dagina 61 phawba according to that Assam Accord 1951 dagina 61 bahubda changa khiba illegal migrants sing asibuna naturalized tawba moibu citizenship piba. Then after that 1961 to 71 asina 10 years ki oina voting right moi pidaba aduga citizen amo oibagi right ti piba aduga after that moibu naturalized tauba. Then last of all 1971 gi matung da sangakpa illegal migrants kai di deport tauba haibane. That was the condition. Aduga Manipur su 1951 da yumpham oirakanda akogi detect tauba aduga moi myam do akhuna deport tauba haidana yanaki ba wafam neba adug yam chauba assurance natraga adug yam chauba agreement mayam do bau do honor taudrakanda kadamba assurance no akoina mu thajaga doise masina akoida remind toribadi maza agreement ki mamangda instrument of accession sign tauba matamda akoida hanjan assurance pi giba Manipur gi people so alloi no the private purse pi gani no gi ningthoubi kai khumnagani no gi language culture manghalloi no the extra akogi employee mayam pi gani akoi kadai de lady ge hoji aduna akoi gi laiba poti kaino haiba matamda hojiki hairiba ek asigi matungina sorry bill asigi matungina akoi da khwadi ge hena kiningai oribadi hojik hairiba 2014 gi December gi tang kuntra mathoi phawbada changkhiba Afghanistan, Pakistan, amasung Bangladesh tagi lakpa mitop singa se except Muslim natana atai gaidi.
Adu sukaram bharakan saiki without any proper documents.
Proper documents. Yaw na sangat hibam mayam se mase naturalized torni citizenship pirani haibane. Aduna di 2014 December 31 de indhara adi masana Assam Accord piri ba 1971. Aikogi kaino de yawri ba 1951. Manipur People's Protection Bill de yawri ba 1951. Masi valid ogi gadra haibane.
The question is
aduna ta seng namak yamda luri badi hojik Manipur da assurance toriba natraga hojik president da taknai haiba Manipur People's Protection Bill sisu SNP bagi matang sisu hajin ningi badi masi ta senama munna yengba taragadi panel law yaudaba adugumba bill lama khakni masina mitop regulate togani haibase loiba nararoi daba wahangni aduga mase yetna barsu loiba nairoi aduna tasengna ma poktriba angang amaga poktana leiraba angang amaga masak phajaba tanabagi mong dala ani aduna amasina po ob angang ni amana poktriba angang ni pokadra po oidra su khangdri aduna leiriba poti kai no haiba matamda hauji aikoi gi laibak ase hauji ki bill asigi matung inadi indigenous people gi laibak ase native and non native haibane akon illegal migrant service man India gi oina leijaraba India gi preamble da yaroba secular socialist haidana yawriba secular oina leigadabani haibasida kariguma particular religion amabusu khaidu ame aruga tasena article 14 da yawriba right to equality so akoida pidre adigi article 15 gi matungina religion da natraga gender da based toruga racism da based torukanda aikoi da ek ama semba haibase masi yengba tai maramdi ek asida aikoi ni yen naina haningi basi cert kaino haiba matamda asi aikoi na karigumba narrative ama ne na khanba taragadi magi narrativity yesineba because aikoi na koina ma yengba matamda mase asok lom da gi yengba matamda paisa kya no khangba ngamoi other side gi yengkanda magi sen gi mayek tu irakaniba whether it is 10 rupees 20 paisa or 5 paisa aduna aikoi na other side yengkandadi Home Minister Rajnath na pigiba comment kai hagebu hairiba act ase the very act will not be confined to Assam have the migrants can stay anywhere in India haine hairiba act ase Assam khakta the confined toroi migrants singasna mitop singasna India gi leninga mafumda leiba yagani haiba taragadi khwaidigi hena hoji panbi ki ba Assam da hoji pawda NRC da 40 lakhs and detect or phase 1 da 1.5 crore है नमी टॉप ले न थाजरे अदु ओइ पतादी 1.5 crore सिगी ख्वाइदिगी नकपा युमथंग नबे स्टेट से ngasi jiri bam da thoi ba thodo ngasi kangla tongbi dein kala pahar da thoi ba aru ching da so oi di har ga chingi lam da lai ba
Assam da yorki we se thangnari bi yumthang naba north ta lejaba apik po state sing se choidra dum suffer tor dom ni madudi mamang da leiraba pot ni hogi ba sing sina facts ne amrom da hadi swice da current evidence chen be yaru heavy wadi duni sam da ozai mathang nong ngak se yo jak so Bikram coming to you, this Ningthouja Lancha already shared that this assurance, verbal assurance is not enough. From his side, his opinion is, at the same time, by this citizenship amendment bill, the Assam Accord, at the same time, updation of NRC will be, there is no value about those earlier this accord and the NRC updation. And first of all, let me begin you with the so far as assurance is concerned, yes, the Home Minister given an assurance to the Manipur Chief Minister and Biren Singh yesterday. And earlier on the day of the bill, while the bill was pushing in the Lok Sabha on 8th of January this month, it is also said that by this Home Minister Rajnath Singh that Assam is a most affected state in the entire Northeast, and they will try their best so that the indigenous people of Assam's interests should be protected. So that assurance, I think, do you think that kind of assurance, is it enough for you? And at the same time, another question is Home Minister categorically stated that this particular citizenship amendment bill is not going to confine in Assam? You see, when the bill is passed in the Lok Sabha, other states, leaving aside the Northeast states, they are not voicing against this citizen amendment bill. But in the entire Northeast, including Assam, other states are voicing against this citizenship amendment bill. What is all your opinion regarding this citizen amendment bill?
See, the bill itself is a racism. So
the bill itself is racism.
Yes. So how can the government say that it won't impact any or it won't destroy any interests of the people of Northeast India? So in coming down to Assam, we have Assam Accord, and then NRC is on updation is on process.
NRC updation based on the 1995 Assam Accord.
Yes, based on the Honorable Supreme Court, monitored by the Supreme Court.
Yeah.
So it has been going on, and for illegal foreign immigrants has been already detected. More than 40 lakhs of the illegal immigrants are not included in the NRC. So this process has been going on by the monitor or Honorable Supreme Court. Whereas now the government is playing a double standard to bring null and void to this NRC. They put the bill into the table on 8th January, which is not only for Assam, it will impact the whole of Northeast India. So they are playing a standard. They are playing a double standard to the people of Northeast India. And the government said that no one is opposing except Assam. Well, Assam, all Assam Student Union, ASU, led and other 30 ethnic tribal organization comes together and protest since the ordinance has come out. Since the inception, start from Delhi to the statewide protests, and then coming up Northeast-based organization, Northeast Student Organization, NESO. How could the government say that the people of Northeast, except Assam, is not protesting or opposing the bill? It is clearly seen we come together and oppose the bill. In the meantime, we can see in Assam on 8th in the Lok Sabha, 8th January, they have tabled the Citizenship Bill Amendment 2016. On the next day, they tabled the bill to the 6 communities. On 8th January, the whole Assam is hosting with a black flag. And on 9th January,
under the umbrella of this NESO,
the other communities has to go on a celebration mode. These things the government is targeting divide and rule policy to all the communities of Northeast India, which is nothing but to destroy the culture, identity, and language to all the indigenous group of Northeast India.
Thank you for this first round of your opinion here. As a whole, Bikram is saying that this bill itself is very racial. It's a racial bill. So coming, Oja Sharatchandra Lakshar of the Oja Maroina Husiki, NIPP ki Parliament Chiki Convenor Show Biri Maroina. I need Hana Kanjan Oja Hoju say Oja Libum Sekrai Libiri. Aduga Icona Sunta, Lakipur Haibu Sumale Oja, Lakipur had a Sangi party Ojoine. Aduga Maroina Charana NRC updation Matangama, Swida. Assam da leba Manipur singi listu kitang lista yaugdi khoti haibi area am chu leji joini aduga maroina oja Assam da lebiramina Manipur gi sudum khangba aduga Assam da mayok na doriba system khangba indigenous people singchina overall oja citizen amendment bill sigi matang aduga masina sola kadawa hair kanda 1995 ki Assam Accord aduga NRC updation da matang puina te Assam da ledi lejaraba adagi list da yaugdo kari kara swai area su khara thambiram tai oja Sharatchandra
Ojiki आन बजाई कनोगी से
Citizen Amendment Bill.
NRC updation की
Okay, okay, please go
NRC
ahead.
updation की चिदा कोई की चिता बच्चे कोई की मेटी community सिंगी मनुंडा दुम खरा दिम यावे
Okay.
अदुबु मची कनोनी मरुएना कोई फॉर्म मेन बसोइबा नत्रगा कना तोबुदा ओइना तोबुनी मरुएना अदुगा कोई की अयामनदी असम द लेरिबा सिंगसी कोई की माइफागा हाइबा मणिपुरी यूथ एसोसिएशन असम का हाइबदुना प्रतीक हजेला हुजिकी कोऑर्डिनेटर से असिगा उनकोनदना मेटी सिदी कोई इंडिजिनस कनोइना कम्युनिटी ओइना ट्रीट तौगदबनी अमसुंग मोइदे एनआरसी अपडेशन याव यावदब थिरोइदबनी गाइबा अदुगी कनोगा सु तौगिबगी वाफम लेरे चिताबसी अदुम अइमकी फैमिली दा कनोसी इमोंग नुपी यारक्त्रे अदगी इशू नुपीगा अगी फैमिली सिदा अदो मोइगी ngajai NRC updation gi ngajai gi goigi family tree gi connection pi bise masida kanochi amana for example ai gi mong pi si mai machi manau ningon o mari sui mafam da mai pale adra family tree gi si ma gi mapa gi mayung gi mai kanochi pi gi dam ni loin mak ma gi spouse me ham jing chi ado ama moine hek chithabada अदो दी ngसाई सोम दी अमन सुन पीबा अमन पीदबा तो विजिदगी मोइची नोटिस लाएब सोमोनम लाएब अदु क्लैरिफिकेशन कौदला मदु सेंगदोली अदुना मदुगुंबगी खरा सोइदोक सुजिन तोबदा चिथबदी यावी अदुगा कनोदा अयामबन दी अदुबु हुजिक मोइगी मथंग मदुगी रिवाइज तोबगी गुन चांस अमा पीदना चथरी अरे मिंगलानबगी खोटबगी असिन सिंगबा अदु थुदोकना गरोगी आसाम द लेबे मिटेसिंग चिथबगी वाफम दि थुदोकना लैरोय
नाम का हैना चांग लेके हैबी समनाय का दो जसा द कमिंग बैक अगेन टू द citizenship amendment bill
citizenship amendment bill सिदी ngachai gi koi ranjan so haigre Bikram Hanse na su takpigre ata singna masigi bill se asina khanana dagi hongna goi gi north east da particularly Assam di quite badly affected illegal immigration gi infiltration sina adugi problem si leraba sida ngasai gi asu gi accord tawna gi bagi madugi cut off year piriba gi detection tawba deportation tawba ga ngasai gi lancha na panghiba 1971 midnight of March 24 1971 ga haibasi masi pura invalidate tawba chap manare ye kono sina citizenship bills maram di kay 2014 ki 31st December pawda with or without valid documents changa kiba lakiba singdo India da leibe yani na hairabani na ngase 71 da cut off year oidna updation toriba citizen register ka toriga dudi madu valueless oile na habitai aduna ai koina machi oppose tawbani adu ji kenoda manipur su ai koi barak valley da su tongan ba community sing pullaga ai koi organization karana masigi akan ba strong keno si pide
hai akan ba strong keno si yaning da ba uli dum pi gini hai
dum pi gini
hoji phokda le film se thank you ojalan chamro hoji se some political party alliance of the BJP still saying that the bill se lok sabha da pass tawbani adu rajya sabha yoroktri kaibagi adum phongtokpa duga the political party sing opposition adu even alliance of BJP hairi se hojik se bill se adum akoi continue to oppose this citizenship amendment bill dum haidi haiba samina bale pasudi nataba sam hara kan le film se aduga ojanga sa haibi gre verbal assurance di swaidari assurance wadi kem ta kan do wandi assurance hendo we agreement mayam ama hojik nan chatormi sam hara kan da mamang da tokiba madwai di tawna ki agreement sing kari sing ki validity ki question am la am hojik chawng la khili se and men akoi swai da kan hojik uri se maroina miyam sing haiba tai citizen amendment bill dagi akhoi manipur si exam to busima oithokpa je khamada swai sima kya oithokpa yadong mande baram di one country ni adugo manaba union of india ge manungda lebrina one equal haidi loinabak equality to ya bill am oidoi ni sam na kanda then again when we talk about the Manipur People's Protection Bill 2018 which has been passed in the Manipur Assembly on 23rd of July 2018 स्वाई एरिया नसाई असम एकॉर्ड NRC अपडेशन करी करा मैम सिंह वैलिडिटी की क्वेश्चन चाउ थोलपसे NRC असिगी सिटीजन अमेंडमेंट बिल सिना तसेंग तसेंग एक ओंग्रगदी अखोइना पुथोइब बिल सिंग करी सिंग से मसिगी सु चननिंगाई एरिया अमता लरोदब जालासिने
तसेंगना मसी यमना नुंगारिबसि कइनो हाइबा मतमदा हौजिकी से आर्टिकल 371 दौना कश्मीर की नागालैंड की मणिपुर की नत्र मिजोरम की टोखाई टोखाई मागी प्रोविजन मैम अमा पीरिबा सुमाइना विदिन द एक्ट अखोइद पिरक तारगदी ओके मोइना अदुमाइना एश्योर तौरगदी मदु खन्नबा याय अदु फावबद कश्मीर ngasi फावबद इरांग होबा लेप्ट्री पीरिबा कइनो मैम से सपोज 6 शेड्यूल गुम्बानी 6 शेड्यूल पीरिबा मैम से 1950 दा नत्र मदुगी 51 दा इरंबा मैम दा होजि ngak तदना नॉट ए सिंगल पावर पीदे अदुना लाइबा पोटे लोइनमा वर्चुअल ओइरकपा हाइतारे अदु ख्वाइदिगी सेक्शन निंगाई ओरिबदी अखोइना सोमदा कन्न खनरिङाइदा हौजिके हाइबिरिबदो ख्वाइदिगी खननिङाई ओरिबदी 2015 2016 दा अखोगी कनोना अखोगी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ना थोखिबा यूनियन गवर्नमेंट ना थोखिबा नोटिफिकेशन अनिगी मतुंगिना हाइरिबा इल्लीगल माइग्रेंट्स सिंग असे मसी वैलिड डॉक्यूमेंट्स याउद्रगसु मखोइदा लीगल एक्शन लौखटपा यार लौखटलरोई हाइदना नोटिफिकेशन अनि थोखरबने 15 16 दा ऑलरेडी देन अदुगी कंटिन्यूएशन दा अमुक राजनाथ की मतुंगिना करी हाइगे हाइबा मतमदा हाइदिबा लीगल एक्शन चे लौखटपा यारोई लोइना मोगी दमकता लॉन्ग टर्म वीजा ममागी लॉन्ग टर्म की वीजा अमा मधु प्रोवाइड तौरे हाइदना हाइदबनेबा दैट मीन्स हाइरिबा बिल से पास तौदबगी वानी इन प्रैक्टिस ता 2014 बाबरा चंगन बबु सिटीजन वन बन मधुगी मतुंग चंगकसु ओलम मनिंग खले अदमरम दि 2014 अदो हौजिक 18 यो 19 योसले चाही यंगले दि तरुक चाही तरुक ले दि लै यानी हाइने बिल सिगी मतुंगिना हाना चाही 13 33 ओरम बदु चाही 13 और 6 दा चाही
shorten to 6 years
इबने and everybody मोगी इंटरेस्ट now the question is so bill से कनागी इंटरेस्ट नो हाइबने in whose interest whether अखोगी नॉर्थ ईस्ट पीपल की इंटरेस्ट रा अखोगी एस्पिरेशन ला नत्रगा कना की इंटरेस्ट इंडिया की लॉ सिंग से सेमी बगे अदाइदने बंगासगी नेरेटिविटी न ngasa aina hajage tormbado adu koina ma yengbada ani yengbase adu rajnath ki natraga BJP ki natraga India da government paibi riba mayam gi yeng dagi di okay Hindu minorities natraga Buddhist minorities Sikh minorities mayam atopa Afghanistan Bangladesh Pakistan da layuba sing
ya minungsi laiba
humanity ne ba but in the context of northeast yengba matam da di adugi narrative to akhoi da yade ba akhoi gi narrative ti kaino haiba matam da moila abadi ha na 1.5 crore awang no pokta lairibase masana citizenship on giba tabani hauji barak valley se separate state Bengali speaking people mayam gi sembio haidan demand tauribani adugumba mayam du chakharkanda akhoi gi lamda leptana haijala iba 1.5 crore lairiba mitop singa sibu naturalized tauba moibu citizen orhan baduni citizen on graba matung dadi akoina phangiba voting right akoina lairiba
right phangrane matung tarakpada phana haurasu kana bai
laite aduna hojik la ibadi kaino haiba matamda ngasai aina hajribado moral judgment se kadai da leibage haibaneba where lies the moral judgment for the Indian political ethics Indian political ethics ki moral judgment se kadai da lai adugi morality se kadai da leibage अखोइना मोरल फाउंडेशन से इंडिया सेम मतम कर्माइन सेमी सेकुलर सोशलिस्ट अदु डेमोक्रेटिक याम हाइग्रे अदो हौजिक रियली अखोइना पोट से डिसाइड तब मतम दा लोक सभा ददी ऑलवेज अखोगी नॉर्थ ईस्ट की मियाम की म्यूट से माइनॉरिटी ने अदुग राज्य सभा सु मदो काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट्स ओइदना यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ता तौरी सुमाइना एवरी स्टेट की इक्वल नंबर ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स लापसु नतेबा अदुना मेजोरिटेरियन रूल ओइना हिंदी बेल की नत्रगा हिंदी की लाइरिबा रेसिस्ट ओइबा मियेंग दगी सुम येंगकांदा इंडिया से यूनिफाइड तौनी हाइबा तारगदी इंडिया की कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मसामना प्रिएम्बल मसामना रिफ्लेक्ट तौरिबा फेडरलिज्म की स्पिरिट से मसे सोइदन मांगखिगनिबा मदुगी खुदोंग थिबदुनी इंडिया खंजन बिगदोकसे नाउ एवरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ngasi makta press note including NIPP लाउथोपिदिबसे कैनोबो if the circumstance demands we will stand for political autonomy is loina mahai abaneba mase phagi nate yam section ningai oi aikoina ngasi lairiba se Indian citizen ne na laijari bane native oina lairiba hauji hingjari ba aikogi damakta hana khandana कोना लाकपा migrants सिंगी दमकता खल्ल कांदा हाना लाइबा native सिंगी
मियोय बने मिनुंगसी पाव बोइदुदे कैसे काइदे तो वो तो नंगना लाइबा लेजरेबा सिंगी इंटरेस्ट तो हाना येंगदना था पता लिबा सिंगी इंटरेस्ट करे माइ मसक कंगबि नो हाइ वांग सिमदी चाउन लेदोरमनि सम नारे कांदा ओजा लंचा thank you and become coming back to you just I am putting two questions for you that one is this time while pushing this citizen amendment bill in the Lok Sabha on 8th of this month. At the same time, simultaneously, it is also granted that 6 communities residing in Assam to the scheduled tribe category status, granting this scheduled tribe status to the 6 communities residing in the Assam. And this is a very long pending demand. And all of a sudden this time, it has come with simultaneously with the citizenship amendment bill. Do you think that the center is, by granting this scheduled type category status to the 6 communities of Assam, do you think that it's a kind of divide and rule policy? And another question is, this bill, citizen amendment bill, in whose interest? Please.
See, 6 communities demand is a long-standing issue.
Yeah.
Yet we know. Karbi Anglong 244A, Articles 244A, state within state is a long-standing demand. Boro, Apsu, divide 50-50, Assam, that is also a long-term standing issue. See, the government of India is not willing to give us what is our interest, what is our needy. Those issues which they come into place, as soon as they, table that the Citizenship Bill Amendment 2016 in the Lok Sabha on 8th January, it is just nothing but, to create their own, favorable political stability condition. Yes. So this is not a solution. This is not a solution as if the government of India is going on in this stand, as Mr. Lancha has said, that is the final and ultimate solution for the Northeast India.
Yeah, another question is this is not a direct question from my side, and this question is being raised by the Oza Lancha that the citizenship amendment bill in whose interest? मतलब किसके interest में? Citizen amendment bill center ने just pass in the Lok Sabha on 8 January. In whose interest? Sometimes don't you feel to raise this same question being raised by the Oza Lancha?
See, the bill itself violates Articles 15 to the Constitution of India. It violates caste, creed, religious. So it is the interest of one-sided. If it is, if India is a democracy country, and then
and sincerely looking into the indigenous people interest, then such a bill should not pass in the Lok Sabha.
Yes, the bill should not pass in the Lok Sabha. And the government of India should, review the stand and withdraw the bill
before reaching to the Rajya Sabha.
Right.
Exactly. Thank you. I was also saying that in a break, I'm going to get break. Break in Matuna Impact News, get and Manipur Yang Video Punamaki from that to put the Impact News, me and Tadun Libyo. Break in Matuna Yang Video Punamapum, Kanatara Noxari, Oza Sharatchandra, Marina. Hujikse bills yaning daba bills karim ko anda ekoi da piba sharp kumbne kar sai duni sam direct the center government north state sing da punna piba state sing da punna piba kars ne sharp to budu gum jane hai mas handa ki bill se aduga phatabagi hairo di swai se hana khoi se affected tawle ramne Assam already badly affected by the illegal migrants coming from other countries. So once the illegal migrants landed in Assam, it always spread to the other states of the Northeast. So area da masigi phatawa, masigi mangjaba, masigi warakpo mayam singje ojasu loin khangminare oja. So I sikina moram dharaga another bad side of the bill haita and mamang the agreement mayam di tawnom lakpa aduga sin da hoji haibadadi thajaba yabagi stage of the oido mandre mamang da tawni agreement mayam sing du sanaba yadana phim da sum mathang sum puramina. Adwai area duma oja ngang pirakpa mayam panel atopote suba phom sing tabigre oja sar dai side tagi NIPP ki role kari crossing oja haibi ningba supplement ningba local kadoro minaba any supplement to biro aduga karim ko anda kitang phabarom the side ta bill si ki hanta ki citizen amendment bill si yeng pa kanda notice ki entire notice che karim ko anda issue mom thok pose tongan loi chat bai phim da leibani हंदकी बिल से मरम ओरकान पुंजन बगी एरिया दी बिल से फन फत्रसु पुंजन में एरिया दी उबीब्रा अदुगा तुंग कोइने थेंगबसे अमखक नतब स्टेट सिंगsta लेरिबा नॉर्थ स्टेट से नतब पुन्ना थेंगमिनद्रदि स्वाइसी यारोइदोइ फिबमा ओजा शरचंद्र कितंग जो सेनियरनी उबीब्रा से
तसेंग बसे आईदी कनोगी हिरिकोन कन तोबम दाई आई सागी ओपिनियन जी फोंगलोम
प्लीज
ममांग दा इम्फाल दा कनो मदा कॉन्क्लेव अमदा आईदी मसे पीस मिल ओइना मूव तोबुइ मुहूर्ता अखोगी नॉर्थ ईस्ट लेरिबा कनो सिंगसी कोई पुंजल लगा फाइट तोमिनबम चंगेना अदुना मसी कॉन्सर्टेड अदुगुम्बा इफर्टम कक्ति चंगब्राइना आई चंगद्राइना खल पुन्ना चमिनबगी तंगाई पदबा बाय मागी स्टेट की इंटरेस्ट बुदी लेरिको दि आसाम ना हेना सीरियस ओइना इफेक्ट तोबा मरमदी करिंदा हजिक लेरिबसी बांग्लादेश लिबरेशन वॉर्स की मतुंगदा चंगकिबा थोमजलकिबा मयाम जिंगसी अयाम्बा आसाम से कॉन्सेंट्रेट तौलीबने असिदगी खरा खरा हाइदोकिबा दिल्ली रोम द चकिबा दिगी साउथ रोम द खरा सोम द कंट्रोल ngमक्तदन चकिबा दि अदुम याउरी अदुबु हजिक फाउदी लेहौरी सिदि एम मैक्सिमम सिदि अगोगी आसाम सिदने अरे आसाम दगी हम तौरतना छंगरी नकपनी थकना बाई कनो सिंगसिदा दि हाइजोरकपा नागालैंड यौरबनी दिगी खोगी मणिपुर दसु असिगी इंपैक्ट से खंगदबिदा मधुगी अदुम लाबनी त्रिपुरा जिमदी कनो ओइरे पुरा मसिदी योसन गी बुगुम तारे हाइबे तारे अखोगी लान लेजरमबा अखोगी कनो से नेटिव पीपल से अदुना मसी अखोई NIPP ना हंदक मसिगी मतांग द थोरै बिसी मरुएना NIPP सु सी मतांग स्टेन अम गलोगुम थोय बिसी मसी फाव अगर वदा अखोई नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिजिनस पीपल्स पार्लियामेंट हाइदना अखोइना कनो मका कोई प्लेटफॉर्म सेमगा कोई लेरिबा नॉर्थ ईस्ट की तोंगान तोंगान बा इंडिजिनस ग्रुप सिंगी इंटरेस्ट आइगोना करिगुम खरा थबक तौमिनजी न थोरकपा अदुमबा फोरम अमखनिना बा प्लेटफॉर्म अमनिना अंदगी सिटीजनशिप बिल MMN बिल सिना इफेक्ट तौरकदु बिजी एंटायर नॉर्थ ईस्ट तौरकदबा मसिना मथंग मथंग सोलकदबनिना NIPP की सु मसी स्टेन अम लोगुम तुए बिजी कनोने अदुना NIPP न मसी नसेगी बिक्रम हंसे ना हाइबुना आइखोई विथड्रॉ तौबगी डिमांड ने गंतोरस मसी बिल सी विथड्रॉ तौबियु रिकंसीडर तौबियु अर ngसाइगी हाइरिबा ngसी राजनाथ ना असम दा छोहलो कनोदा आइदी मणिपुर दा मसीना कनो तोहलो तौदनबगी कोइना मणिपुर की सीएम ना मधु कनो तौइगा हाइबो वासी मसी इंडियन सिटीजनशिप एक्ट the entire India की the applicable ओइगदोरी बनी अरे हौजी मसी ना बिल सिना एक ओइनो ओला मतम दुदा आसाम दा हौजी लेरिबा नॉर्थ ईस्ट लेरिबा कोनो सिंग सिबु सिटीजन की आयाबा पिगिदोरिबा लेजिटिमाइज तौगदोरि मियोइ सिंग सिबु आइखोइ सोम द बर्डन जी हेले हेदना मोइना पुथोक्तना राजस्थान दा UP दा बिहार दा थंबिगदोरिब्रा मोइ एक्सेप्ट तौगदरा अति अचोबो वांगनेबा एक सी पास तौरे कनो चनरे न लोरचेबा मोइना पीरिबो सेंट्रल की लीडर्स इन पीरिबो गवर्नमेंट न पीरिबो एसवेंस तो असम दा मसिन कनो ओयलोय अरे कोई मणिपुर की चीफ मिनिस्टर जो मसी की बिल सिना एक वर्कांदा मणिपुर की इंटरेस्ट सोक्तना बा हाइबा अदु गसाई कनो मना बिल सेफ्टी रेशियल ने हाइग्रे कनो ची हंदकी एक मन पास तौरी बसे अदो सोलो हाइबसी ओइगद्राबा when it becomes an act and it will be applicable throughout India adu
any other bill like ngasai state ki assembly na pass ka tawjaba bill sing adu ko state assembly buduna stop to ngam thingma ngam dori ba haibe question am still lady haibe of
mani aduna aside haibisi da koina aidi masi ngamabadi koina ngamna ba hona dana koina masi changjalakpa matamda koigi north east leiriba aiwi keno singse different keno singse affected oini na loriba akoi ethnic communities singse masi unitedly let me know bang ko disang ne
okay
masi
let me know sangi na tagadi upai sungi
le
kanda
ai koi keno
oja lancha loisalakpai round se oja ina some round se oja Sharatchandra su phasan thambiri madudi karim kanda haidi haiba parliament na taga assembly da state ki keno da magi federal structure da assembly da pukhachaba union akhoi as a whole India gi oina parliamenta pukachaba Rajya Sabha Lok Sabha da bill pass to wa ek oran basi swai si political representative sing na tawjaba thaboni sam nare kanda like cap su citizenship amendment bill so swai si people na khandi giba representative oiba aduga people ki interest ri thabak torok taba swai da aina political party political representative ekhoi na giba sing china piba assurance piba sarakpa bill ni kaina tumina leiba adawi phim de dum leidorom ni sam nare kanda authority some main issues like very serious issues like citizenship amendment bill gumba kari gumba I think in the future also in the near future also such similar kind of bill I think will come up and we have to face it so area la kan doja political representative singki go wafam singkina mai political ki interest ta tojabane civil society organization like NIPP other civil society organization existing in the respective northeast states so the punjanba atuga active role ama mathau tabagi area se hanan lai khrabra hujik se hai tamla akoi punjanba da thengme matam orabra karai kamai thambidinge se
tasengna sir masi thengi haibatai aduga akoi gi dynamic se akoi 272 dialects ni lairi se
India Northeast
India gi Northeast aduna hauji so called mayamna hainari ba Northeast leba 272 sigi manungda akoi gi Manipur da hairaga khwai gi pick per 600 population gi tarau yauri bani ana yamna la ibse luri bse tarau gi damta kanana lepi ga tori bano sidi kanoda rail amuk changak pada mut khrani mamdi rail tractor lag to riba Manipur gum lamda changak ka tori ba kano si train amada tong ka tori si mi bogi tarada kya oini around 700 minimum da adu ebatar ga ekoina khalai ba poti kaino haiba matam da besides our differences in ideology or in our approach or in a strategy or something or akogi kenaba different agendas mayama community khuding ma ke se karvi ki dimasa gi maitei singi nataga mizo gi bru gi whatever akogi makta yam lai gre ad complications hauji hangbi gi ba 6 tribes Assam da matam chap chana akogi them bagi mong da scheduled tribe ki list pe e hauji scheduled tribe
bill parga som da scheduled tribe ki status to
parga balance tor ga puthore ise ai kainom ta haje ge ba Karbi in Karbi Anglong mase 1951 gi census tha 92 to 93% se Karbi ne Karbi Anglong da aduga others are non-Karbis never. Now, Karbi ki population say in Karbi Anglong 33% never.
I see.
Okay.
Reduced like anything.
But moi scheduled tribe never. Scheduled areas never. Autonomous masagi ojaba to khaiba district amagi chapchaba kanu lejari never. Tripura da hoji khwaidi kiningai oise 1951 da 49 da Tripura na Manipur dona merge togiba matam da Manipur na instrument of accession si 11 August 1947 ni Tripura na August 9 1947 ne madura tawba matam da Tripura gi population se 92% ne Tripuri ki in Tripura now Tripura da Tripuri gi percentage se 11% ne aduna di scheduled tribe on the banatte ba Tripuri sing se already scheduled tribe ne ba scheduled tribe na ko ek ta kangada banatte ba scheduled areas nu kangada banatte ba aikoi the tokai bluff ama tobane ba aduna hojik la ibe poti aikoi gi marakta understanding ama through this agenda hojik ti agenda ama la India gi Hindi belt ki agenda natraga Hindu population gi agenda man ba pot am su la agenda odam ba yai natraga deport to bang moi da uruktana Bangladesh ki home minister na lauthok kare Bangladesh yim to India da like tedra adu ibata adi madugi fight back tongna ba ano ba lalong amoina ani thokna amada Bangladesh te into akogi mi myam cha halan ba yaroi Pakistan da halan ba yaroi khangdana akoi naturalize toga akogi South Asian gi oiba power oine laiba India ga relation phana ba mutual understanding ama lakna khona ba da akoi gi ngak yolaga season ba hai tare north east ki another one is in Hindi belt ki expansionism da aikogi people se aikogi resource aikogi land aikogi people mayam se compromise rokanda aikogi lamdi mi hoba aikogi resources pamba aduda aikogi bill se season rak pama aduna hauji hangbiri ba aikoi da haiba aikoi myam punna lekwadra lepoidra haiba sida khwaidagi na mathau tari badi tangai fadana besides our differences aikoi alliance amadi mathau tare aikoi punna hingmina ba tamba tae ba bills na ngasa hangbigi bato yamna challenge am ka aikoi yamna historic oiba no ba aduga iroi loi ba suman ba survival gi aikoi laigidra lairoidra haibagi challenge am ka tawri ILP gi movement tawgre Robin Hood mayam secret, I quit the lake of Mayam Yore, Adu Eba Targadi, Adu Yam Hogibo movement to the Hena Satiba, E Kudimashibu, Kakatlo, Haidana, Laaba, Adu Madugi, Mamanga, Assam Accord Oro, Manipur People's Protection Bill Oro, Maya Yang of Tangtara, Gadaba, Madubu Tahal Gadoriba. Bill do Hojiki Citizenship Amendment Bill Sine. Maram di Masina Indian Citizenship Act Ola Kadorina. 1955 the Yanagi Matumina di Matam do the Lagiba, Kanudugi Matumina modified Matang Tora Akanda 2000 latest 85, then 2003, 2005, 2016, then 2019. Masibogi Manu Tari Ibiseka no Hibamatumda, Northeast Tapna. Northeast Hana later, but non native or Mimiamna occupied or history to them. Aduna Hojila Ibadi now. I call
Holakanda Matam Sangadi indigenous Koga Sum Lakpusin, Yargadi indigenous Heba sentence hima, ID words hima, Yargadi Masi Mamisum Saman Gabiki
Mane. Aduna last I coina Hazen English kind of Hibamatamda, I call Hojik. Mahiroi ngakte de thadok payaroi, students ngakte de thadok payaroi. I koi say one body like neso mang ngakte de thadok payaroi. Agi loina mag thadok payaroi. I koi na la iba potike nobu each and every one. I koi gi lamda lai ba employee bi oiro whoever awang no pok lamdam da lai ba miyam da I koi ne aware pi kanda. The seriousness aduga quantum of the magi akoi da manghal lakadori ba kai no si urakanda akoi miyam na mase khangal lakanda achoba mass movement ma ngasa habi ba madusu ngasa gi territorial nataga ethnicity nataga culturality adugi wang malalakanda Northeast beyond boundary habatare Northeasterners beyond boundary akoi miyam si chatlakanda akoi si amatani hojiki ondi akoi masi hana lekhisi aduga akoi gi marta su singe understanding leigadabani haiba foundation to da hojik Bikram Hanse na la ibasisu then akoi gi other delegates
NIPP
la ibasisu shumba NIPP gumba body mayam su laidi madu mayam da punna kusuna rakanda alliance sam la akanda nesho yauna akoi miyam si alliance sam like kanda haidiba bill sigi matangda akoi seriously work to mina bagi akoi the historic moment to lae masi akoi na lobo hai hogdragadi akoi gi future like
okay, thank you. So coming back again, Bikram, this is the last round question from my side. I'm having two questions for you. First question is how you look into the statement given by the former Chief Minister of Assam, Tarun Gogoi, that this citizen amendment bill will harm the relationship between this country as a whole, in particular Assam, with Bangladesh, because this Bangladesh Prime Minister already given assurance that there is no persecution of Hindu residing in the Bangladesh. And another question is, this Ningthouja Lancha also expressed that the time has come. We cannot we cannot all the time depend to the political representative, be it maybe from different background of politics, that is another thing. But whenever issues, big issues like CAB and some other issues may come up in the future also, and this is very high time for the entire Northeast civil society organization existing in the respective states like this NIPP having a bigger role and to reunite again.
Yes, enough is enough. See, when you go back to 1930s, 1940s, 1950s, in the whole Guwahati metro itself, it is inhabited by Karbis, Boros, and the indigenous group of people. But see, at present, what is the condition? So, it has been a dumping ground since 30s, 40s, 50s. So, enough is enough. Now, still the government of India stand does not change anything. That is, they could not respect to the people of Northeast India, to the indigenous group of Northeast India. So, I think now NIPP as a indigenous people, Northeast Indigenous People Parliament and the other civil society and student organization has been opposing this bill. But why the government of India could not open their eyes and ears to listen from us or take any consent from us? Because when the JPC Joint Parliamentary Committee
came to
Assam, as well as went to Delhi, the Northeast delegation went to oppose, and its state representative have opposed the bill. Even in Assam, when they visited, the whole indigenous group of people, start from civil societies, NGOs, and student organization, went and submit the opposed bill, opposed memorandum. Whereas they went separately to Silchar, several organizations come up and they, submit their memorandum in favor of the bill might be. So that might be the location where Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi could announce on 8th January.
No, that is on 4th January.
Yeah, sorry, on 4th January.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So I think the government of India is not able to give any respect to the indigenous people of Northeast India. So I think this is a high time. Civil society, student organization, and its NGOs or whatever organization we have, we must make it hard this time to the government of India.
Thank you. Ningthouja Lancha and Bikram Hanse and Sharatchandra, thank you very much for coming to the Impact News studio and completing today's agenda Manipur. That is Home Minister assurance on this Citizen Amendment Bill is enough. So thank you once again. Thank you for joining to this agenda Manipur. Ngasi dabaktadi Impact News ki agenda Manipur matang sa lusan jana batanjay role at bulamdam sa tholiba thodo wato kaya gemarik chumba report ki dabak Impact News miyang ta aduna lebyo.